Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today. And this video is, we are going to review the reimagined na kanilang one and done sticks ng Vice Cosmetics. So kung gusto niyo panood tong video na ito, So Vice Cosmetics re-released their iconic na kanilang multi-ganda sticks. Multi-ganda sticks ang tawag nila ngayon. It's one and done sticks. So it has many shades already. So reimagine nila, and this is the brush and ito yung product. So this is in, kumuha akong contour shade. This is in the shade Twilight. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Let's try to light lang kinuha ko kasi pag-uusapan natin yung yung may push and achieve kasi magwa-warm pa tayo later on. Contour muna natin to. Kaya kasi ito yung tisay na tisay yung sa perfect for my skin tone. Then let's blend it out. Okay. Okay, I like how it blends it pretty well, and ang ganda. Ayan, ang galing ng pagka-blend. Wow. I'm amazed with this one. Maganda yung nag-innovative sila na may brush at the end ha. Not bad for 395 pesos. So, ito yung old formula. Ito yung kanilang old packaging. So, andito meron pa akong si Push at si Achieve. Gamitin natin siya. So, ang difference is yun sa old. So, let's see the difference pag blend. Pag blend siya, kanina na feel ko yung powdery effect. Ito talaga very creamy yung consistency niya. So, ginamit ko si Push. Yung Push. Let's try Achieve on other parts of our face para ma-warm up natin. Then, gamitin natin yung brush nito. Let's see if it works. Okay, madali ring goes a long way. Blendable. But the difference is more on a powdery finish with this one. Ito, naparami lang yung product, pero kailangan i-build up siya ng kailangan it takes time to blend. While dun kanina, so reimagined and reimagined sticks nila, it blends out pretty well with the use of this brush or any brush talaga. It gives a warmth with. So final review with this one, with this new product from Vice Cosmetics. It is a travel-friendly use. Pasado ako dito. Kung ano yung na-like ko in the first release, yung pinaka-first ever release ng sticks nila, dito mas in-improve nila. I like how they blend it pretty well. So, ginawa ko contour and blush lang. And, ang ganda ng consistency niya. Talaga. Consistency niya. And, nice combo with this one. So, linagyan ko. So, ang ginamit kong, blush is my favorite blush combo. Pablo's Glam and Glow Stick Blush Stick ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. I have it here. Pablo's Latte and Bubblegum. So, ang ganda ng pagka-effect sa aking, yung pagka-blend nito on my face as is. Same formula, and I super duper love it. That's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in the next